everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick card using this super cute stamp set called Kind of a Pig Deal. It has this cute pig, and if you remember the cow from last year, it's kind of the same artwork. Okay, so I've loaded the pig and the corn and the flowers into my MISTI. The cardstock or the papers that I'm going to use are from the Mix-In collection and from Life's a Hoot. Okay, so I've got this pig loaded in and I'm stamping him down on white DZ with black ink. And I'm going to, I keep calling him, it's a her. Okay, I'm going to color her in with some triblend markers. Okay, so I'm just pulling a few colors. And she's going to be a bright pink pig. All right, so off camera, I've got her all colored in and cut out with the coordinating thin cuts. All right, so I'm going to bring in this black Le Pen. It's a fine tip pen, and I'm going to add some eyelashes because every pig needs some long eyelashes, right? Okay, so I've added some eyelashes and we're ready to start building our card. All right, so I've got the mix-ins here and I'm using pattern number 19 from Make It From Your Heart Volume 4. Okay, so this is a great pattern. I know I've got full-size pieces here, but it's a great pattern for scraps and for those leftover zip strips that are so cute, but you're not quite sure what to do with. So this is a great pattern to use those. All right, so I'm going to use the zip strip from this piece of Life's a Hoot, and I'm cutting that at 4.5 inches. And then that first mix-in was at 2 by 2, and then I cut it on the diagonal. And this is a piece of mix-in, and I'm going to use it as my background. So I'm cutting it at 4.25 by 5.5. All right. Okay, so now we can start building the card. And just kind of laying things out before I start using adhesive. So cute. All right. And at first I was going to put my sentiment on some cardstock, but then I decided to go ahead and stamp direct to my card base or background. Okay. So my sentiment says tickled pink for you, and I'm just going to stamp that out in some black ink in the lower left corner. And then we're ready to start putting everything down on our card front. All right, so I have a card base, and this is a regular A2, 4.25 by 5.5 card base, and just going to add everything with Tombow tape runner. So cute. So all these supplies are currently available in the January through March catalog. I do suggest, if you like this Pig Deal stamp set, to get it quick, because judging by how quickly the cow stamp set sold out last year, this one's going to sell quickly as well. Just adding everything with tape runner, and those zip strips, they will hang over the edges, so you just trim off the excess. Sorry, that's off camera. And just snipping the excess so it lays on the diagonal there. And then I'm going to add my pig with some thin foam tape, and I'm leaving enough so that I can slide those the corn and the flowers under the edges. So I'll get her added to my card front. And then we'll add the flowers with tape runner and just kind of tuck them under the sides there. And then I decided to add a little sparkle to her crown of flowers. So this is a Wisteria shimmer pen or shimmer brush. I'm just brushing on a little sparkle to those purple flowers. And for even more bling, I'm going to bring in some bitty sparkles. So we'll add a clear bitty sparkle to the center of each of those larger flowers in her crown. So cute. All right, and there's my finished card. So I appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and then you'll be able to find all of my videos. I'll make a list with links of all of the supplies that I used in the description below, and you can do some shopping. And thanks for watching.